Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. Quick video, and this one is going to be really easy. Now this is what I would class as pretty much a 5-minute card. If you've got a cutting machine and you have the file, you can put this together in no time at all. This is a file that I've created for the inside of a card. I've adjusted it a little bit because I wanted to make some changes, so the file that I provided with will have those changes in it. But how do you actually make these in the first place? How do you put it together? Well, all of the fold lines are in the file already, and so what you do when you cut it out, you fold it in half like that, and then you fold down the bits where it is creased, or where it should be creased. You've got dashed lines, in fact. So you do that with all these bits. Open it back up again, and then you pull them to the front. Now the easiest way of doing this is to use a tool, and you simply pull it to the front and let it crease. Pull it to the front and let it crease. And all you have to do, whoops, that one's gone the other way. All you have to do is to stick it inside your card. To stick it inside the card, you fold it flat again, and then you want to get a bone folder, and you want to get a scrap piece of paper. You want to make sure it's all folded in where it should be. Do that and go over it with your bone folder. When it's folded flat, you simply want to put these edges right into the fold of your card base and glue it down. Now I find the easiest way of gluing it is with a glue stick, because you can apply that quite easily to the edge and it's not a very wet glue. So what happens is you end up with something like this. Now this is my amended version because I actually put a bit more of a curve on here. Rather than a straight line, I put it curved. So all these are a little more curved than they were previously. The front of it, I've simply chosen a patterned card that is Christmas themed, because I happen to have some. And I've put a scrap of this on the front of the card, and now it didn't fit precisely. So I centered it, and all I've done is put a little bit of glue down either end and put some glitter on, and I've put some little glitter bits on parts of the images as well. So that gives it a really nice look. Easy to do, very quick to do, and I think most people will be happy to receive a Christmas card that looks like that. And said, it looks like you've taken a lot of trouble over it, but it's really not difficult at all.